Our hardware is the foundation of the ViewSonic ecosystem, built to implement interactive learning. ViewSonic offers displays that range between 5 inches to 760 inches, smaller to larger displays, bringing lessons to life with interactive flat panel displays, intuitive interface, 4K and 5K interactive display, USB Type-C 1 cable solution compatible with Android and iOS, sharing up to 9 devices, Luminous Superior Series Projectors with easy installation and efficient power on and off, bright visuals for more effective learning, cost-effective and saves energy with up to 60,000 hours of battery life for an uninterrupted class integration. Communicate effortlessly with the Pen Display series, accurate and efficient writing experience, fast and accurate touch response, interactive and collaborative front-facing teaching. All these products can be paired with an inbuilt feature of myViewBoard, ensuring effortless usage without any need for third-party software.